think she's found a place that she's got to check out. Where is she going? What is she doing? Uh-oh, I think she's found another sketchy superhero dive. I pray for Solara. Let's pray for Solara. As she enters. To PETA. So here we are on the bus. So
we're in the front of the bus now.
We're at the front of the bus, bitches.
Lick the feather. Come on, lick the feather. Lick it, yes. Lick the feather.
Okay, there's this girl. Okay, we've just been greeted by Mr. Normal Boy and who's this? Shy Girl.
Super shy girl.
Okay, Mr. Normal, what are your powers?
I'm Mr. Normal. I can take any situation and make it incredibly mainstream. All weirdness is removed. It's an aura, a bubble, a sphere, as you say. It will eventually, your capes will disappear and you'll be wearing a tie and a suit.
Why? Why would we want to do that?
Well, sometimes things just get a little too weird and you need to chill.